This is the afternoon weather briefing for Tuesday, March 18th. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather couldn't be better today, but tomorrow night we'll see a band of showers and thunderstorms in here. Then we're probably going to see a frost situation Friday morning all the way down into South Alabama and a freeze for many North Alabama communities. Let's discuss things. Here's the upper air look today. Got a trough well off the Atlantic coast, new trough in the western states. That new trough out west will bring a band of showers and thunderstorms in here tomorrow night. But today, gorgeous visible satellite view. Lots of sunshine all across Alabama and the southeastern states, and accordingly, nothing on radar anywhere near Alabama. What a big warm-up today. Some spots were actually below freezing this morning. And this afternoon, a few locations flirting with 80. That's a sign the air is just dry as could be. Birmingham at 74. We've got Huntsville 72, mid-70s for Montgomery, Dothan, and Mobile. We do note there is a wind advisory in effect now for the northern third of the state, basically from Birmingham north. With the approach of the front, it's going to become quite breezy tomorrow and tomorrow night, gradient winds. And we got wind advisories up into parts of Illinois, Indiana, out into Oklahoma and Texas. Red flag warnings in effect for parts of the plains into Texas. And again, that's because of wildfire danger. And look at a blizzard warning for parts of Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota. How about that for mid-March? Got a low-end marginal risk of severe storms through tonight for parts of Iowa and Kansas and Nebraska from Des Moines down toward Omaha. Tomorrow, a chance of strong storms from near Milwaukee, Des Moines, Chicago, Indianapolis, down into the deep south. And we have in Alabama a very low-end marginal risk of severe storms north and west of Birmingham. The area is in dark green on this map. That's level 1 out of level 5. We'll check the modeling here for tomorrow night in just a second. Day 3, which is Thursday. No severe storms expected across the country. And then on day 6, which is Sunday, we have a risk of severe storms defined from eastern Texas into western Mississippi. And we'll deal with that batch of showers and storms Sunday night, early Monday. And we'll take a look at the modeling on that here in a moment. Here's a look at rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts for most locations about 1 inch between now and the 2nd of April. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run. This is tomorrow afternoon at 4. Have a trough out across the central part of the country. Down below that, a deep surface low that is west of Chicago and a trailing front. Again, north and west of the surface low, blizzard conditions for parts of Nebraska, Iowa, Minnesota. Heavy snow up into parts of northern Wisconsin, the UP and Michigan. Down below that, we'll have the trailing front with a band of showers and thunderstorms. So let's go to high-resolution modeling. This is the high-res NAM, 3-kilometer NAM, North American Mesoscale model, valid tomorrow night at 9. And again, you can see a band of showers and storms creeping into northwest Alabama. But this is the big limiting factor. There's hardly any surface-based instability. Those values are very, very meager. And the SRH, basically the wind dynamics here, again, not especially strong. And accordingly, the STP values are meaningless here. It's under 1. So it's a situation where tomorrow night we could see a few storms, maybe with small hail and gusty winds, but this is certainly not a major threat. No tornado issue, not that big of a deal. But as always, anytime you have a cold front in March, we'll watch it carefully. And then on Thursday, it's going to turn cold. If you're in the northern part of Alabama, you'll be in the 40s all afternoon with a brisk north wind. Be kind of raw, maybe a few spotty showers or patches of light rain underneath that cold core upper trough. Even South Alabama will see highs only in the 50s on Thursday. And hey, Friday morning, how about a freeze for a lot of places over North Alabama? Many spots in the upper 20s and low 30s, a late season freeze. We could see some frost down into South Alabama Friday morning, so growers beware. And then during the day, Friday, the sky will be sunny with highs back in the 60s. For the weekend, at the moment, Saturday looks good. We'll call it partly sunny with highs in the 70s. And then Sunday, I think the day Sunday will be dry. You can see a deep surface low that is over western Wisconsin with a trailing front. And there could be some strong to severe storms on Sunday during the day west of Alabama, Arkansas, Louisiana, maybe eastern Texas, and then that will be coming in here Sunday night. And this is after midnight Sunday night, early Monday morning. The surface low is over Lake Michigan, and showers and storms in here. But hey, no surface-based Cape, none, zero. So if this trend keeps up, then that certainly means we're not going to worry about severe storms. But understand, this is still 5-6 days away. This could change. But at the moment, it looks like just a noisy band of storms late Sunday night, early Monday morning. And then during the day Monday, showers confined to South Alabama. No real cold air behind this front. Highs should be in the upper 60s and low 70s. And a week from today, this is Tuesday, March 25th, troughing over the eastern states. And again, we are dry and pleasant. Let's keep going. 10 days out. This is Friday, March 28th. A zonal flow and a dry air mass. So after those showers and storms exit Monday morning of next week, the rest of the week looking dry and pleasant. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean between 1.5 and 2 inches between now and the 2nd of April. And temperatures coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. 77 tomorrow and then 52. That's a big drop. On Thursday and Friday morning, you can see Birmingham now down to 33. And many spots over North Alabama will see a freeze. South Alabama, many spots will see frost on the ground Friday morning. But then we bounce back nicely, upper 70s by Sunday. And then next week, highs around 70 on most days. And just in, latest long-range guidance. This is for March 26th through April 1st. Temperatures a little above average, if this verifies. All right, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. Stop number 1. This was yesterday. Coldwater Elementary School, a big crowd in the lunchroom. We had kindergarten students and we had third graders in the house. A big session. Love a good Monday morning crowd. Like those signs, looking like ESPN game day there. I like it a lot. They know how to stay safe during severe weather, but we talked obviously about the severe weather we had over the weekend, and you don't need to be afraid of tornadoes. They don't happen a lot, but you have to understand them, know what to do. Talked about weather forecasting and much more. Great group, great school, and great teachers. So to everybody at Coldwater, thanks a lot for a good visit. And then today, what a crowd here. Payne Elementary School in Trussville. That is a big crowd of kindergarten students, and I say they're ready for first grade. They were great listeners and learners, and those are so good. If you only knew how good those things are, wow. But obviously, we talked a lot about different types of weather. We talked about winter storms, talked about hurricanes. Before you know it, summer's going to be here. But again, just a great school with great teachers. I've had a chance to visit there many times over the years. So again, to all of these students and teachers at Payne Elementary School in Trussville and Coldwater Elementary in Calhoun County, thanks a lot for great visits. You guys are looking good. So tomorrow, going to be at Oxford Elementary School, going back to Calhoun County. Then on Thursday, going to be at Headland Elementary School down in southeast Alabama. Friday, Verner Elementary and Rock Quarry Elementary, two fine Tuscaloosa City schools. And then Saturday, I'll be at the Great Lakes Weather Conference, Valparaiso University up in Indiana. Looking forward to that. Love a good weather conference. I like to learn. There's so much that even some crusty old guy like me needs to learn. That's one thing about this. You get to learn something new every day, which is outstanding. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.